Christ almighty. What the fuck was that? Fuck, I can't even fucking...
Apa sih itu?
Oh! Shit! Oh! Fuck! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Why saya tak llamando a 911?
Mẹ rồi.
Đồ nó
Đi lại. Fuck.
I got that in the ash.
Fuck. You shouldn't be doing that shit though. No, I saw you put my touching shit for this.
Several of them, I urged them to oppose the exclusion. They didn't seem to be particularly interested.
The JC. Oh my god. Because right now I think it's on like a similar unit as ours. Shit! Oh my god. Is that on your... It's okay, it's in here, baby. It's okay.
You think he's gonna come?
I have no idea. What the fuck?
Are you okay, Cyrus? Hey, calm down, please.
Holy shit.
It's okay, there's a kid. Calm down. Calm down.
Because if he's with me...
Let it go.
Oh my god, Mommy! I got into a car accident. I'll call you later. Bye.
Is why Blink is sold over 1 million motion-activated security cameras. The point of having a home security system is to help them which is why so many cops choose Blink. Blink cameras are wire-free, set up in minutes.
Go! Get the fuck out of here!
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy.
Fuck! Oh, we got him. Where are you going? He hit you. Who? The car. You can pull over a little bit more.
Per city, unless the city is really big like New York or Los Angeles. But that essentially means $24 billion on stadiums for sports, both professional and college. That is far beyond.
Oh shit. Moi, le tabarnak, là. You fucking retard. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is...
Nobody writes books that are more thorough in research, more substantive.
Whoa.
I wish they would. They've been talking about the death of the
Get down dash cam?
conservative
Yep.
intellectual movement. It's pretty
Pull
dead.
over? Yep.
So they start talking about new forms of conservatism
Hit your button to save
that
it.
apparently nobody figured out. New philosophies that apparently nobody's ever written about. It's all nonsense.
Nobody was in that truck, were they? You're all out, okay.
동진아. 홈디포 갔다 왔니? 네. 그 영수증을 해가지고 나한테 보내주고. 조지 지금. 다시 전화할게. 옆에 사고 났다.
Flu cái chích flu shot chồng cũng không đi. Năm nay là chồng nên chờ nên chích đi. Xe bị đụng nữa rồi.
Project 800-945-1700 800-945-1700 800-945-1700 or visit deluxelightcoat.com. That's deluxelightcoat.com. This is Southern California's only
I got you. I fucking got you, dude.
KNX 1070 News Radio.
तब हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है.
एक बात बोलूं, उसका दीदी क्यों आ रही है? क्योंकि पुलिस उसको धमकाया होगा कि इधर आना मत. इधर आने की.
Shit.
What's going on here?
Don't follow me. See or talk to each other.
Whoa, shit! God damn!
Hold down, Ryan. Alright, stay with 252. Hold down, Ryan. Okay, if you're shut the vehicle down. Oh, hello.
Alright, get off there for a minute. She's got a 52. The car, 8 run. It's going northbound, southbound, right.
Oh, shit! Thank you. Thank you, Don. Stand up. Okay, keep it 4. Ronnie College. Hold down.
Driver, stop your vehicle!
Hold down through line. Stanley Cruz. Eddie, Major 52, Major 52. Location? Rolling.
Copy.
Black Rail 215.
Oh my god. In all honesty, that was his fault. I'm going.
Razor on us in the middle of a conversation as though that's someone everybody knows.
Oh my
God! The truth is what it turns out to be. Occam's razor is the principle that anytime there are a variety of different explanations for something, the simplest
With digital coupon. Visit kingsupers.com to download your coupon today and redeem this Saturday only at King Supers.
Tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central, only on Telemundo.
Abortion.
Let's do it. The 95 Days of Summer.
95.7 The Party is Denver's #1 hit music station.
Hi, good morning, sir. Yeah, it was so dangerous. Yeah, my tire was like... What's that? Yeah, I think my tire was like broken.
The company had established a headquarters at the Cape of Good Hope in the 1600s. Shit! It had been heavily encouraged, and as this colony had gotten bigger, relations with the indigenous people living in the area were not well. In the early 90s,
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh my god. And also one of those gyro cameras.
Oh, gyro holder.
Oh, what the fuck? Shit.
Oh shit.
No, wait. Alright, I'm gonna call 911.
You're right there?
As long as Daddy's here.
No! No! Fuck! No, dude! Fuck!
Well, at least my phone's
God damn it! No! Fuck! God!
You should have parked in that parking lot.
Damn it! Stop!
Plans with no credit needed, amazingly affordable errands. You're supposed to be flexible payment options, and they'll work with you so you can own it. It's so easy to get started either in store or online at errands.com.
Oh my god, John!
This is gonna be on my ass. I'm in the right lane.
Holy shit.
That was hot, okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
We're fine, I get all.
Just released an episode about Citizens United, which is one of the most argued about cases in recent history. And this was a case really about the First Amendment, and whether we should limit the First Amendment in any way. No, in that case, if defending single.
What the fuck?
Of sexual consent, that's a 5% drop from 2015.
A lot of people think they understand consent, but then when you start talking to them, especially with the more nuanced sorts of consent, I actually don't think a lot of people do understand.
The 4 categories of consent are verbal, behavioral, enthusiastic, and ongoing. The Women Foundation says...
Oh!
shit. Oh. I got it. God damn.
You got that?
Yeah, on my dash.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Where did you see that? They're actually new. They weren't there before. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, okay. This car's not okay.
Shit, what the fuck happened? Did you see that?
No, because there were cars in my way.
You save money, and you have nothing to lose. Because if for any reason your blinds don't fit, even if it was your mistake, we will remake the blinds with a different size needed free of charge. You only pay shipping. And we also give you to install the blinds with our 60-day inspection guarantee on all products.
Girl driving her parents' Camry, backing it out of the driveway for some god-awful reason. Wow.
Eduardo, record it. If you record that, you have to get out.
Why?
Record it. Make sure you record that.
It's recorded. I think he's okay.
Espérate. Don't go. Eduardo, you gotta stay.
Why do I gotta stay?
Nigga, you gotta stay.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
That was a bad wreck.
Oh, oh, it's on fire. It's on fire. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Oh my God.
Help us, Jesus.
Get us, get out.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, Lord.
Are you okay? Oh, God. It's okay.
Put the goddamn shirt on!
Fuck
Christ!
What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Before this podcast and stuff, you're like, oil and all this stuff, and you're like, you won't make this even better. It's like,
and alleged collusion with the presidential campaign. The Senate Judiciary Committee tells the Associated Press it received the documents last Friday on top of 20,000 pages from the campaign 2 days earlier. Lawyer for Tiger Woods has entered a not guilty plea for the golfer.
wow. Holy!
Do I call 911?
911, now! Holy shit!
execution of how you were to set up getting your leadoff guy on, and then having a contact getting second to use the whole field. On a 3-1 pitch, you have confidence that LeMahieu is going to hit a strike, and he does, and he bangs it off the garage doors in left.
Oh!
Honda Link Assist will call emergency service.
Shit. Holy.
Really? Seriously, dude?
19th Avenue.
Yeah. Kate, are you okay? Are you okay, Caitlin? Are you okay?
You're okay.
Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Females, there are a couple females standing on the outskirts under clothing description.
Oh! Fuck! God damn it! That's my fucking bumper. Holy shit, se volteó una camioneta.
Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make.
Going on this morning, a lot of traffic to catch up on with the storms moving in later today here in North Texas.
Whoa.
And Jason Whitman made his decision. So today on KRLD.
Hey guys, it's Shelby Rose from Texas. My family and I want to thank all of you for your patronage.
Hey Shelby, what you doing? Wow.
Oh hey Dad, just putting together
The high of 87 or so, and some clouds over the weekend with a chance of showers. Right now it's 82 degrees in Charlotte.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Zoom. Zoom offers cloud video conferencing, online meetings, and a video conference room solution in one platform, featuring digital video and audio screen sharing, account registration, and more at zoom.us.
I looked at something written across her.
And we get one of our their breakfast bars. Wow.
You need to stay.
I will. Got that on video.
That guy went bam. I got it right in my recorder. Should I stop?
Yeah, you should.
Damn. I'm glad it wasn't me.
Was ein Idiot. Kalifornien natürlich. Was ein Idiot.
Police oder was mit das?
Nee, ich habe ihn auf Kamera.
Hast du auf Kamera?
Ja, klar.
मेरी हंसी
Now turn right onto East Renner Road.
Why did it say?
She works on the mental health ward as a mentor to the other women.
I'm trying to contribute as much as I can to this institution, so I'm not so ashamed. You know, I mean, it's helped me with my own shame and my own regret.
This psychiatric unit in the newly built prison.
Fuck.
Completed.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Some of the intentionality to the regime.
Holy! Whoa! Shit! Fuck! What the fuck? What the hell is that? What's that?
What the are you doing? Oh my God. Are you stupid? What the hell are you doing? Oh my God.
I know that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Especially during Mercedes-Benz summer event, like a new 2018 E300 sedan starting at just $529 per month plus tax, 36 months, $53.43 due at signing. Fletcher Jones Motor Cars has been #1 for 19 years in a row. Once you experience the Fletcher Jones difference, you'll never want to lease or purchase from anywhere else. Visit FletcherJones.com.
Fletcher Jones Motor Cars, Newport Beach.
Call 866-827-8997 for details. It's summer, so having fun should be easy. And it's easy to double your fun when you visit Knott's Berry Farm and Knott's Oak City. First, enjoy thrilling coasters like the all-new Hang Time, California's first and only dive coaster, and go back in time for some seriously wild adventures at Ghost Town Alive. Then cool off at a full water park just steps away at the expanded Knott's Oak City. It's a one-of-a-kind California experience, and it's all in one place. Save on tickets at